Good morning, folks. It's your boy Brappy here, back at you, ready to tackle another video. I have no clue what's going on today. As you can see, we got some snow overnight in some spots, and it looks pretty chilly out. But me and Maddie are gonna have a shower, and then we'll see what we can't do today. I did sort of want to go for like an adventure walk type thing, but I don't know. The weather is not really looking that promising. Maybe we'll try to fix the dolly today or something. See what we can't get into. Maybe do a live stream on Mud Runner or something. See if Bubbles is up for it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Well, it's about 12 o'clock, 12:30 now. As you can see, it's fairly nice outside. So I think we're gonna go outside and maybe see what we can't get into. It does look fairly sunny out, so that's a bonus. Windy though. I can feel quite the breeze just standing through the windows, so I don't know. Definitely gonna have to bundle up if we do go outside. The sun looks just beautiful though. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Haven't really done anything yet. As you can see, they're digging away at the truck there. I don't know what the fuck my dad's doing. But they got the fucking springs over there in the front. So that means that front axle must pretty much be ready to drop out. Then the truck can go to the scrap. Oh yeah, look at the front axle there. It's all on the ground. Time to check the mail. Oh, that's something in there. Got some more fucking credit card debt here. We'll see what this shit is. So this is a bill saying I owe $139.51. You know what we can do with that, folks? You know, that's what we used to do with that. Then we'll do it again. Like that. Hold on. See if I can hold the camera. That's what I think about your credit card debt. For anyone I haven't showed this to, that's the Frapp logo I made. I was thinking for the YouTube channel, add an extra P and then a custom I and an E. Maybe make something like this for a logo for the Brappy channel. I think it'd be pretty cool. I like it. It's definitely original. Came up with it all myself. Got her up from my fort. Needs the wheels put on it.
The wheels sitting on it?
They're sitting on it, but they're not locked on it. Needs some rivets or whatever put through those little holes, you know what I mean?
Oh, they're split rims. That's not gonna help.
Well, no. Do you know how they go onto the little axle and then there's a little hole in the axle and it has a little pin that's supposed to go through it?
Yeah.
Has no pins in it, so the tires just fall off.
Oh, just use nails.
Oh yeah, that's what I mean. Just need something put through the holes.
Alright. Oh, you lost one?
Fucking Lincoln showed up. Blip, blip. Fuck. fucking freezing out today. Truck is ready to go to scrap now. Axles are out of it. Pretty much everything's fucking out of it that's going. Laramie. Not much of a Laramie anymore.
But we got him working on the engine, bud.
And I'm gonna try to take these fucking power wires here for the Blazer if we can. This one's being a bitch. Holy fuck, that's tight.
She hard to get off?
Man, she's a fucking whore. You can't even put a socket on it because you got that pipe right there.
Oh yeah.
And you got about 2 centimeters on each side of the wrench. We might just say fuck it and get some wire cutters and just snip her right there.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. We can get that other one at the top though first.
What if you try putting it up the other way?
Yeah, try that out. Got this bolt here while we're thinking of it though.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, she's stripping.
Uh-oh.
She'll be stripping.
That ain't good.
Oh, it's this socket. This socket's fucked.
Uh-oh.
Gotta go get another socket.
Uh-oh.
Well, we got ourselves another socket. This one looks good. So, should be good to go. Well, the phone just died. Rolling on like 8%. So we're gonna have to try to find an extension cord here that we can plug into. I see a couple of them laying around. Which one are we gonna get? This one it is. What's going on, Lincoln?
My fucking sparking brake, my fucking whatever you call it, sparking igniter fucking broke on me, man. It fucking won't fucking work. Look, and I can fucking spin the whole fucking thing.
That's shitty. You got fluid in there?
Oh yeah, I got lots of fluid in this thing.
Hold on, let me give you light.
Oh, respect.
Let me give the guy light. There he goes.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he lost it. There he goes. He's chooching. We're fucking getting her.
We're getting it, bud.
Now
Oh,
we
yeah.
can fucking do away with that side post shit in the Blazer.
Oh yeah.
And we can switch over to top post and get ourselves a top post bed.
Decent. Oh, here she comes.
Ripping shit, look out.
Look out. Oh, out it goes.
What else we got connected here?
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah.
Alright, now she's just connected out that ground right there
Oh yeah.
by the power steering pump.
Yeah.
So,
Try going from the top.
I think we'll just get our fucking wire cutters and give her a nice little snip.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Actually, hold on a second. Get
Yeah.
the hammer and then we can give her a little love tap.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hands are dirty as fuck. Alright, we'll be back in a second, folks.
Alright, go back round two, boys. Oh, did you get it?
I think she moved. But you know what? I think we might have been going the wrong fucking way. Yeah, we definitely were.
Oh my god, bud. There we go, bud. Oh yeah, bud.
Yeah, we were going the wrong way.
Oh, bud.
That's right, though. Going the right way now.
We got it going.
That's all that matters.
Oh, dropping the wrenches.
Careful. Careful. It's a fucking tight one, I tell you.
Oh yeah, bud.
She's going by hand now, though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're going the wrong way.
Yeah, good thing I caught on to that, eh?
Yeah.
We'd have been fucking tightening that right the fuck up.
And then we would have been
Oh,
in a
come on, get
problem.
off there. That's gonna be different. Dodge power cords on a Chevy Blazer.
That's a little different, but hey, why not?
Fuck it.
Got a little bit more power coming behind it.
Well, it's better than those side posts too, then you can at least hook up aftermarket shit to your battery
Oh yeah,
without your fucking terminals and shit fucking up.
that's true, that's true.
You're getting stripped.
Well, here's the Blazer walking.
That Blazer's working not half bad. Fuck, did I tell you I got a Ford too?
No, you got a Ford now?
Yeah, an old F-150. I'll have to show you the YouTube videos, bud.
Where is it, bud?
You remember up north on my grandparents where I took you with the Saturn station wagon?
Oh yeah,
It's up there.
oh yeah.
I'm actually going to be going up there in a few days to work on my camper that I'm making into a flatbed.
You want a hand?
I was going to say, I might need one.
Oh, I'm here. I'll give you a hand.
Go up for a few days,
Yeah,
get
yeah.
some work done, take a rip in the Ford.
Oh fuck yeah, send it, man. Another day, another bill, right?
Fucking right.
Fucking right.
Yeah, you probably had that.
Have you been smoking that shake lately?
Wires are out. Fucking right.
Fucking right, bud.
And no, I have not been smoking the shake.
Oh, that's good, bud.
I'll give you some shake if you want it.
Fuck yeah, bud.
But
Don't
yeah,
smoke shake.
now will be meant we can throw those fucking top terminal wires in the Blazer, get a new battery for her. She'll be mint.
Fucking hey, bud.
My buddy Lincoln needed some smoke. I got him.
Hey, bud.
You go, bud.
Hey, thanks, bud.
What do you think of that?
That's fucking shake, bud.
Grow some hair on your chest with that
No,
shit.
fuck yeah, bud. You haven't showed you the spot where I got caught up on flames?
No.
Oh, bud. Wait up on flames, bud.
Holy
Wait
shit.
up on fucking flames, bud.
Crazy bastard.
That's what you get me, throw a whole can of gas in a fire pit.
Just got our trusty dusty bong all cleaned up. We're gonna go outside and smoke a nice bowl. Fuck yeah. Well, we're trying to go get something to eat, but our fucking battery terminals are fucking with us again. That's why we ripped out those top post wires out of the Dodge. Because I'm getting sick of this shit every time I start the fucking truck. Gotta lift the hood pretty much. Fuck. Jesus Christ. This is enough to drive you fucking insane. Alright, see how that does it. Just they're so goddamn loose, but you can't get them any tighter or they strip. Just being a whore. Being a dirty fucking whore. Come on, you son of a bitch. Carol Baskin. Fucking asshole. Come on. Fuck, there we go. Time to get some mackerel. Still fucking waiting on our food. I guess I was yelling. Well, maybe that'll tell her hurry the fuck up then. Well, that Sunday looks pretty good. Yo, it looks so dead, man. They got all the screens and shit taken down. I think they're doing renos. Yeah, come on. No extra berries. I told them. I said extra berries. Oh fuck this thing. Thank you. Mock. Fuck yeah. There goes his ball. Oh, we're back at home now. Oh, someone locked out. Oh, I thought you locked out. What the fucking muck. Back in the house now. Got the muck going. Got some Money Heist going on the TV. And for all you guys who don't know, this shit right here, A&W seasoning, I put that shit on fucking everything. That's literally all I asked my mom for to get me for Christmas, and she got me a big bag of it. So I got probably enough of this to last me like 5 years. Easy at that. Yeah. If you guys are looking for a nice seasoning to put on your food, doesn't matter really what it is, fucking anything really, try it out. A&W seasoning. Might be hard to get, but if you can get it, it's good. Starting to get pretty late now. She's about 10 after 8. Whatnot. Fucking just smoked a few bongs, ate some dinner, watching some TV and whatnot. I think we might go up to Hayden's for a little bit, smoke a couple bongs with him, chill for a bit, and then basically head her off to bed. Fucking Hayden's typing to me now, so probably go up there in a bit. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Fuck, I'm tired. Keep wanting to yawn. Alright, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell. Fucking stay safe. All that good shit. If you have any future ideas for videos, make sure you let me know. Fucking always keep my mind open to anyone's ideas. And also, add me up on Instagram, Brappy_420. Also, if you got PS4, add me up, Jake Foster 2014. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.